Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to analyze your portfolio with Sharesight free tool. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to analyze your portfolio with Sharesight free tool, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Sharesight. You can even use a web app or the application itself. So once you are signed up into your Sharesight account, you need to add your holdings. You need to add your holdings and you need to generate your performance report. You can access your portfolio summary, dive into details, understand total return, and evaluate your portfolio diversity and benchmarks. After this, you can also try to utilize the advanced features like contribution analysis, custom reports, and export reports. So this is how you can simply analyze your portfolio with Sharesight free tool. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.